Grab 1 pound of your favorite pasta, say penne or rigatoni, cooked to al dente perfection. To this, we add a hearty 2 cups of cooked, diced ham and a can of sweet, juicy pineapple chunks drained. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or approximately 190 degrees Celsius if you're using the metric system. While the oven is warming up, cook your pasta according to the package instructions until it is al dente. Once done, drain and set your pasta aside. In a large mixing bowl, gather your cooked pasta, diced ham, and pineapple chunks. To this, add 2 cups of pizza sauce or marinara sauce if that's what you have on hand. Toss these ingredients well to ensure every piece of pasta, ham, and pineapple is evenly coated with the sauce. Transfer half of your pasta mixture into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Over this, sprinkle a generous cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Layer the remaining pasta mixture over this and top it off with the 2nd cup of mozzarella. For an extra flavor punch, sprinkle half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese on top. With everything in place, it's time to bake. Slide your casserole into the preheated oven and let it bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the cheese is bubbly and slightly golden. Once baked to perfection, let your Hawaiian Pizza Pasta Casserole cool for a few minutes before serving. This dish is a meal in itself, but it pairs wonderfully with a side of garlic bread or a fresh salad. Don't forget to leave a comment below to share how this recipe turned out for you. And if you haven't yet, do subscribe to the channel and help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers.